Today we are starting with the chapter Force and Pressure. This is the 11th chapter of your textbook. Now, if you can see, there are three images given in the textbook. The first image is of a boy who's playing football. Next is a hockey player. Third is a cricketer who is probably catching a ball. So these all are said to be the examples of the forces. So force is considered to be a push or a pull. So accordingly it's written, actions like picking, opening, shutting, kicking, hitting, lifting, flicking. Flicking means to flick something is to try to dissuade something to come near you. It means to just push off something so that you are not able to get hurt by something. Pushing, pulling are often described as certain tasks. Each of these actions usually results in some kind of change in the state of motion. So it's like either an object would come at rest or it would come into motion. Next we have forces are due to some kind of interaction. So once again see, a man is standing behind a stationary car. In the next case, he is trying to push the car. So what they are trying to mention here, initially the car is at rest. The moment the man pushes the car in, as can be seen in this diagram, on application of the force, the car is able to move. In the third case, if you can see, this is a pushing mechanism happening. I would not try to believe that the two girls are fighting with each other. Somehow they are into some kind of action in which they are trying to push each other apart. Next is, this is a common Indian play in which two girls are holding hands with each other and trying to pull each other. But in both the cases, the pair of girls are pulling each other with equal magnitude, but the direction is different. And see this, in this case, the farmer is trying to pull the bull towards itself. But the problem is, the bull is repelling probably. The bull doesn't want to get attracted towards the farmer. So in this case, we are not able to make out who is pulling whom, because the farmer is trying to pull the bull towards himself while the bull is trying to pull the farmer towards itself. So in all these cases, you would understand that there are two opposite forces which are coming into action. Next, this is a very beautiful example of opposite forces. They are also known as antagonistic forces. Here the two boys are trying to push the box in the same direction. So if they are pushing the box in the same direction, then the two forces, the forces of both the boys would get added up. However, the same box is being pulled by the two boys in opposite directions. So the box remains stationary. So please understand, the box would be able to move only if the two forces tend to add up. If they are equal in magnitude, magnitude means the amount of the force is equal but the direction is opposite, then the box would not be able to move. Please go through this video and try to understand the concept. Thanks for now.